Hello friends, welcome you all to my channel. Are you preparing for SSC exams or other competitive exams and you are having a hard deal with reasoning and especially with the topic which is counting of figures and you are finding trick to crack these hard problems? Then don't worry, you are at the right place. In this video I will advise you to watch this full video. We will solve problems related to figures. And friends, don't forget to like this video if you like it and if you have profit with this video. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please also subscribe my channel. Friends, this is a topic which can be probably asked in the exam. If you know the trick, you can hit the bullseyes in just a few seconds. But if you don't know the trick, it will take a lot of time to answer this question and the answer which may be wrong. Guys, here the first question. In this question, it is asked to find the maximum number of squares that can be possible. Guys, you can see the figure. Here, guys, you can see that the number of rows and the number of columns are equal, that is 3. So here we can say that this figure is in the equation n by into n. Means the number of row and the number of columns are equal. For this, we have a very simple trick. This we have to square the numbers, means we have to square 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. We get 1 plus 4 plus 9. Here we get the answer of 14. So here our answer is 14. Guys, it is a question in which the number of rows and the number of columns are equal. But what if the number of rows and the number of columns are not equal? Here, like 1 2 3 4 1 2 3. Guys, here you can see that the number of rows are 3 and the number of columns are 4. So we cannot apply the formula we have applied before. Here there is another formula. Here we can say that this is in the equation m into n, means the number of rows and the number of columns are different. So multiply the number of rows and the number of columns, that is 4 into 3, and the next step you have to do that add m minus 1 into n minus 1. So here we get m minus 1 is 3, n minus 1 is 2. Do that until it comes 0. Here we get, if we do it after, it will come 0. So here we will get 12 plus 6 plus 2. Here the answer we get is 20. So the maximum number of squares here are 20. This is the case where we have to find the number of square. But what if in the same figure it is asked to find the maximum number of rectangle? We cannot apply the method we have applied before. So here the trick is very simple, but you have to watch it carefully. Here the number of rows are 3, the number of columns are 4. So add these numbers. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Here what we get is 3, it is 10, and here we get 1 plus 2 plus 3, where it is 6. So the thing you have to do is multiply this both number. 10 into 6, that is 16. So here the number of rectangle is 60. Guys, the trick is very simple. Now let's come to our next question. That is, in this question it is asked to find the number of triangles. Guys, you can see that figure. Here first label it 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So guys, you can see that the number of small triangle here are 8. The thing you have to do is multiply this with 2. Into 2 is equal to 16. So the answer we have is 16. But this method is only applicable for this type of figures. You can see it is going very smoothly and the trick is very easy. Now guys, here's come, we can say, the most difficult question of counting of figures. if you begin to count the number of triangles here, it will take a lot of time and the answer which came may be wrong. So guys, the simplest thing we can do here is to remember the answer. It can also happen that it is asked the in a count. If guys, here you can see that the number of triangles in this side is 1, 2, 3 and 4. If it is here the number of small triangles are 1, 2 and 3. If the number of small triangles are 3, the answer which came is 13. In the case of 4, it is 27. And in the case of 5, which is not probably asked, but in this case the required number of triangles is 48. So guys, the simplest thing you can do is to learn these numbers. If it is asked more than 5, here the number of small triangles are more than 5, then I can tell you a trick. You have to, for this you have to remember a sequence. Guys, here the sequence is 1, add 2 to it, we get 3, add 3, we get 6, add 4, we get 10, add 5 to it, we get 15. So guys, remember this. And now the thing you have to do is, here the number of triangles are 4, so write 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you have to write the number 1, 3, 6 and 10. Guys, the next thing you have to do is encircle the number by leaving 1 from the downward. Means 1 plus here the sum is 20, and add this encircled number 6 plus 1, that is 27. The answer is come 27. You can extend or decrease the number, and you have to only learn this sequence and you can find the answer. Guys, here come the next question. Here the trick is very simple. But write the number of triangles and add it. It is 10. So guys, here the maximum number of triangles are 10. So guys, here's come the last question of our video. I hope you have enjoyed all the questions and tricks we have learned previously, and you are going to use these tricks in your exams. So guys, here is the last question, which demands to count the maximum number of red triangles in the following figure. So guys, here there is no specific trick to count the number of red triangles. Here we can do, the thing is to count firstly the maximum number of small red triangles, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then the rectangle which formed by joining these two rectangles, that is 6, 7, 8, 9, and the last, the big ones, that is 10 and 11. So guys, our answer is 11. At last guys, here are our videos, and thank you for watching this full video. I hope you like this video, and if you like it, then please click on the like button, and if you want more videos like this, then please also click the subscribe button. Thank you.